Here's a question I was just sitting around asking myself. Can I make this keyboard sound like fire? I think I can. Let's give it a try. I will be using Gateron Jade, MMD Princess, and Oil Kings. The keycaps I'll be using are the white Jade SA profile. This is the Epomaker Tide65. Aluminum, stock, no foam, nothing added, just the way it comes, with Gateron Jade switches, MMD Princess, and Gateron Oil Kings, along with these SA profile Jade keycaps. Let's see if it sounds like fire. What did you think? Let's go a little slower.